So I used Prezi for the presentation on meal planning, how to do it, the importance of it. And so some of the things within Prezi that you can use are just like subtopic bubbles. And so like within that, it just like zooms in and will take you through just like subtopics of the like main topics that like you want to go over. And so the way Prezi flows is kind of like a flow chart of sorts. And then you can also embed videos. So that is like within here. So then like students can like just hit play and watch that. Um, and this will just like really teach the students on just like some different tips and tricks like meal planning, especially when they are following a tight budget and still like want to eat healthy. Some like tips and tricks on like planning meals, where to go to like look for different meal plans and different recipes and things like that.